how to calculate the NPV or the net present value in MS Excel. So as here you can see, we have this sample data right here, and it represents the year from year 0 to, let's say, year 5, and the respective cash flows for each year. So as you can see, the cash flow for the 0th year is negative 50,000, and then for the subsequent years it is keep on incrementing. So apart from that, we also have the discount that is fixed at 10%. So now let's say we want to calculate the NPV of all of these assets. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to type in is this particular formula, that is equals to, and then you will need to type in NPV. And once you have typed in the NPV, so after you are done typing the NPV, you need to start with a starting parenthesis like this, and then you will need to select this discount percentage, which is currently 10%. So simply select this discount percent, or you can select this particular cell, or you can type in 10% as well, and then you will need to add a comma like this, and then you will need to select the cash flows from the first year to the fifth year. So you can select it from the cell number B3 to B7 in this case, and then you will need to close this parenthesis like this, and then the next thing that we're gonna do is simply add a plus sign, and then select the B2 or the 0th year cash flow like this. And once you are done with this, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that this is the NPV for this particular data in MS Excel. So that's how easily you can calculate the NPV or the net present value for your MS Excel data. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.